Okay. Hello. What's your name? Max. Circle the items which belong in the sky. They can fly. Go. Choose your color. Faster, please, Max. Okay, go. Circle the items which can fly. They can fly. Go. Like a bird. Okay, go. Circle it. What animal is this? It's a bird. Okay, and this one is an airplane. Louder, Max. Airplane. Okay, can this fly? Max, this one. Okay, go. Circle it. Can it fly? Yes. Go, circle. Okay, rocket. And what about the kite? Can it fly? Yes. Okay, Max, say it. Kite. Rocket. Plane. Okay, bird. So how many items can fly? Max. 4. Okay, good job. Lila,